What is up, guys? My name is Hunter, and I'd like to walk you through some of the basics of AIML. Before we begin, you should probably know the order in which a bot reads AIML files. At the top and bottom of every AIML file, you have the AIML tag. The AIML tag just lets the bot know that the file that it's reading is in fact AIML. Next, we have the category tag. The category tag, as the name implies, categorizes the different inputs and outputs that the bot sends and receives. Next in line is the pattern tag. The pattern tag is the input from the user. For our example, inside the pattern we have hello world. Following the pattern tag is the template tag. The template tag is the output that we're going to get from the bot. So, when the user says hello world in response from the bot will say, the world says hello back. Now let's go to Carolina and have a small conversation with her that demonstrates some of the things we have learned so far. Let's start off by saying hello. Hello. And as you can see, we have the template, hi there, for a pattern that goes hello. Now let's try asking her how her day was. How is your day? And as you can see, we have the template, very well, thank you, and how are you, for the pattern, how was your day? In AIML, sometimes it's necessary to use a wildcard character. This is in case you are unsure of how a user is going to say a certain pattern. So the two wildcard characters used in AIML are the asterisk and the underscore. The underscore normally goes in front and the asterisk normally goes in back. Now let's go to Carolina and demonstrate the wildcard character. Now by default, Pandora Bot's enabled a file in which it searches all the other patterns using the wildcard character, and if it doesn't find anything more specific than what it has, it'll come back saying it does not know. So let's try saying keyboard Dr. Pepper cologne. And as you can see, that Carolina responds saying, my brain contains more than 22,000 patterns, but not one that matches your last input. It's cut off, but it says that. And it will say the same thing for anything you say that doesn't have a more specific pattern. If you're looking to make your bot seem more human, it's beneficial to use the random and the LI tags. The random and LI tags allow you to use different responses for the same pattern. The random tag lets your bot know that you're using different responses, and the LI tag lists the different responses out. If you're planning on letting your bot have deeper conversations with its users, it's essential to learn the that tag. The that tag allows your bot to recall previous templates it's already used. So let's say, for instance, your user typed the pattern, I am a comedian, which prompted the template, want to hear a joke. Using the that tag in the next category, your bot can call it saying, want to hear a joke. And assuming that the user said yes, you could tell the joke in the template. Just note that the that tag comes before the template, not in the template. Now, before I end the video, I just want to make some general notes. Capitalization in the pattern tag does not matter, and that's why you'll see in the pattern tag that I've capitalized some of them, and in others I haven't, but generally it's good coding style to capitalize the entire pattern. Also, it's not necessary to put punctuation in the pattern like I might have throughout the video, because AIML processor, it just ignores all punctuation, so no commas, no periods, no exclamation points, no question marks, none of that is necessary in the pattern. Also, AIML does this cool thing with the patterns where it eliminates having to make a separate pattern for contracted words. So, saying how is your day would be the same as saying how's your day. If you're wondering if you can incorporate HTML into your AIML bot, just rest assured you can. Leo and I have used Carolina to create hyperlinks when it's necessary.